Almost 2 hours into my cross country and this wasp started flying around. What do I do at 10,000 feet in the air? I could try and get it out of this small window. Would my hat work? Of course it has to find the furthest corner from the window. It kinda looks like a queen wasp, but I'm no expert. I could try and land at this airport a few miles away, or risk pushing it out the window. Is this enough to declare an emergency? I'll try using a checklist to scoop it up. Come on, buddy. Will it grab on? It's too slippery. Need to use something else. Let's try the pitot cover. Please grab onto it. Yes, come on, buddy. Careful, careful. Whew.